Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you several ways so you can zoom in and zoom out to your diagrams and charts on Coggle. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you press and hold left control or command if you're using a Mac on your keyboard, and while doing that simply use your mouse wheel to zoom in or to zoom out on your diagram. Now, as you can see, there's a maximum zoom in level. So let me go to the maximum. As you can see, I can't zoom further into the diagram. So that's option number one. Option number two, guys, if you don't like that first approach, you may simply right click anywhere into your diagram till you see this wheel. And from that wheel, simply select drag to zoom page. And now left click into that button, hold your left mouse and simply move that magnifying glass to up or down here to adjust your zoom level. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.